It's okay to be smaller than the gasket rather than big. That's good. That should do it. Maybe going electric is much faster. Oh yeah, it is faster. Okay, that's good. Okay, I think that's good. Just requires some cleaning, wash it off, and I'm going to put some silicone beads on all these plugs. Okay, that will do. Gonna finish it up, button up some small little things, put the water pump housing, and I'm going to try the intake manifold on it and see what it looks like. Alright. Looking good already. And this is how I'm going to end this episode. Bam. What a difference. Sure, it's looking better than what it was before when I picked this up. Hopefully you guys know what that is. What's wrong with this?
Just bent bulbs from the head.
Okay.
But I think this one is good.
Man, that thing's
It
old.
just got rusty. Because of the rain.
Got left in the rain.
The head. Everything.
Sure, it's looking better than what it was before when I picked this up 3 months ago. That's for sure. Man, with a little bit of a persistence, patience, trying to get all the parts, put it all together, fix whatever I need to fix up. All of those things that I have found, unbelievable. I'm not sure if you guys want to go through on what I've been through, but then again, I got this motor for free. Thanks again, buddy, for giving this away. And I sure have a lot of piece of history here. A lot of W on the streets of Manila. For all of you guys that know this motor, the previous owner, yeah, according to my source, yeah, this motor beat a lot of cars. Hopefully it can continue. But we'll see what happens. Anyway, this is where I end this, and thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Is you probably be interested on how much it costs to rebuild one of these on something like this, if ever one of these things landed in your lap. Yeah. All right, and again, thank you all. Goodbye, everyone. I'll see you guys. Make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment,